We're now down at what they used to call El Huerto, which is like the kitchen garden. So just so you have an idea of, I think there used to be truffles down here as well, but there are none left. So just so you have an idea of what we've taken on, what you can see there behind me, just about make out the wall with pine trees growing inside it, that is the water reservoir. So, but it's actually still in good condition inside. I just need to clean it, get rid of the pine trees and clean it out a little bit on the inside, and I think we can use it. That's what I want to try and do. The spring itself is up this track. It's about 100 meters between the reservoir and the spring. So somehow I've got to get a gravity-fed supply down there. We can just about do it. It's just about downhill. So I'm going to run a tube down from there to this reservoir. But it's all proving a little bit more complicated than I thought. So this is 2 kilometers from the house. We can just about get down in the car, but it's a little bit hairy, especially going up. And we've come down here this morning to get water supplies. We're working on about 80 litres at a time. At the moment we have to do it by hand. Once the reservoir is full, we then have to lay another tube. It's 2 kilometers, 1,800 meters up to the house. So that's a big project because we've got to bury it. So we need a machine that can dig a gully for us to lay the tube. Otherwise it'll freeze in the winter and burst. Lay the pipe, the water pipe. So this water thing is quite a big project. There is a river there that marks the boundary, which probably floods in heavy rainfall. Quite typical here. Dry a lot of the time. You can see that. But then it will fill with water periodically during heavy rain. Timmy's down here helping me with everything. Okay, we'll just go and see the spring itself.